Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable on-screen magnifier on your HP SPECTRE X360. To do that, you have to press the combination of Windows and equals or plus button. And this will open the magnifier menu on your screen. Now on this menu you'll be able to use minus and plus icons for adjusting the magnifier area. The following two icons will reset your magnifier size. The play button is used to read the text aloud from your screen.
Start.
This icon is selected for choosing what you want to read on your screen, or choosing the position from which you want to start the reader to read. And in settings we can adjust the speed of the magnifier, or the speed of the speech, and also the voice of the magnifier. And for more settings we have to go to Start menu, Settings, then Accessibility on the sidebar, and select Magnifier. Here we can also enable or disable the magnifier by switching this toggle. We can adjust the zoom level using plus and minus icons and zoom increment, and most importantly we can choose the view of the magnifier, and each view has its own settings which we can access by clicking the View menu. And here in this menu you will be able to switch between these views, and as you can see the full screen magnifier has some following options, so we can choose whether we want it to follow the mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor, or the narrator cursor. And we also have two additional options on where we want to keep the mouse pointer and the text cursor. It can be either within the edges of the screen or centered on the screen. Now the first magnifier view is docked, and it has all the same settings that the full screen magnifier has, except for it doesn't have the following settings. And this is what it looks like. And the last magnifier that we have is the lens magnifier, which looks like this. And in the settings menu for this magnifier we can adjust the height and width for the lens. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.